Couldn't keep my shit together. Dump my tungsten. I'm sucking at welding. Look how fucking hot that is. Look at that fucking nasty shit. Glass, and I'm fucking nervous as shit because glass is like fragile, kind of expensive, but apparently, man, it can cut you too. And you can't cut it because it's harder than metal and shit, but apparently you can score it with this, and then you just break it. But you gotta score it well with this little tiny fucking wheel. I've never done this shit before. I think I'm gonna fuck it up. It's gotta be one fell swoop. It gotta be one motion. You can't fuck around. Can't fuck around at all. This is gonna be shit. Alright, here we go. How do you get the fucking thing not to move? How do you get the fucking straight edge not to move when the fucking glass is smooth as shit? Maybe I should try to break off a smaller piece first just to see how it works. Yeah, let's try it. I'm gonna try just to break off something. Because I'm probably gonna fuck it up. Let's see. Hold it over the edge of the fucking table. And holy shit, it fucking worked. Alright. Alright, well that wasn't that hard. Let's see if I can do it to the right measurement. Here we go. No bullshit. One fell swoop. Oh shit. Oh, I'm fucking it up already. The straight edge moved on me. How do you fucking get the straight edge not to move? Well, let's see how that works. I should probably use safety glasses, right? For the fucking spattering glass. Probably got glass in my fucking eye. Feels like I got glass in my eye. Here we go. Right over the edge. Firm pressure. Yeah. That's actually not that hard. Cutting glass is kind of dope. Now I need to cut this to 23.5, so I gotta cut like a ½ inch off of it. Seems like it's gonna be much harder to cut a little piece. 3 dabs of rubbery ass weather stripping. Hopefully hold it in place a little better as I score. Work on the score. I don't know how this is gonna work trying to cut off a little ½ inch shit. Oh shit, I'm fucking it up. Oh, I'm definitely fucking this one up. Oh, I fucked that up big time. You see how I hesitated? says don't score again. The instructions are very clear. Don't do this, what I'm about to do. I fucked that up. Yep. I fucked that up. Did I just fuck a fucking sheet? Judo chop? Nope. Nope. Dude, I fucked this shit up. I'm putting a lot of force down on this shit. I can't break this piece off. Fuck. What if I hit it with a fucking mallet? Maybe I should score little lines. Relief marks, is that a thing in glass cutting? Relief. Relief. I've watched 2 YouTube videos about how to do this. I don't know. Relief cuts are a thing with a bandsaw. Why wouldn't it be a thing with cutting glass? Well, that ain't gonna work. Ruined. Piece of glass. Fuck. What happens if you use a tile blade on glass? Glass is fucking weird as hell, dude. Yeah, it kind of works, but that edge looks like total shit. So that ain't gonna do it. Dude, glass sucks, man. Fuck glass. All ready to rock and roll, baby. Home Depot. $19, more like $100. That's fucking bullshit.